Okay, let's look down at the last example, and I wanted to give you guys one more just so that you can see why we can simplify before we multiply with fractions. So this last example is going to be 2/3 times 9/10. Okay, and again, when we multiply fractions, we're multiplying straight across. So in the numerator, I have 2 times 9. In my denominator, I have 3 times 10. Okay, and for your first two problems in your homework, I need you guys to break this down. What I mean by break this down is that we're going to write them out in their factors, in their prime factors. So for 2, I'm just going to leave that as 2. For this 9, I'm going to rewrite it as 3 times 3. In my denominator, I have 3. And then instead of 10, I'm going to write 2 times 5. Okay, so here we can see what we can simplify. I can simplify my 2's, so 2 over 2 will just give me 1. On the other side, I have 3 over 3. That will just give me 1 as well. So what's left when I simplify out everything, this will leave me with 3/5. Okay, so I need to see these 3 steps on those first 2 problems of your homework. After that, you can simplify just like how the other video did it. But when we look at it, we're dividing 3 from the numerator and the denominator, and that's where we're getting those out. We're dividing 2 in the numerator and the denominator, and that's how we can cross cancel. If I look right here, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 10 divided by 2 is 5. On the other side, 9 divided by 3 is 3, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and what's left is that 3/5. Okay, so break it down for those first 2 problems, and then for the rest you can just cross cancel